Guys, before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about yet another interesting topic of the nomenclature of cycloalkane. We want to start with a recap of naming our organic compounds, so you might consider pausing the video and try to name this structure. Okay, to name this structure you have to identify the longest carbon chain. In this case, the longest carbon chain is this one, starting from here up to here, as you can see. So after identifying the longest carbon chain, you go to the next step, which is step 2, to number the carbon atoms in a direction such that the first substituent has the smaller number. So we go on in this direction to number our carbon molecules so that this end becomes carbon number 8 and this one becomes carbon number 1. And the next step is to name your substituents, and then you give the name of the compound in alphabetical order of the substituents. So like in this case, we say this is 2-bromo 3.5 dichloro. Since we've got 2 chloro atoms substituting at position 3 and position 5 ethyl octane. Since we've got this ethyl group at position 5. So basically that's it. So today we are gonna continue talking about the nomenclature of our organic compounds. Today we are going to talk of nomenclature of cycloalkanes, which are basically alkanes. So as you all know, alkanes exist in continuous chains, which can be linear, which can be called either linear or acyclic, or they can exist in rings, which are known as cyclic, or to say alicyclic. So today we are going to talk of the ring ones. They are ring alkanes, which are known as cyclic or alicyclic. Names of alkanes and cycloalkanes are root names of organic compounds. Rings or alicyclic compounds are designated by a cyclo prefix. So you see the cyclo prefix. So these are some of the examples of our cycloalkanes with a cyclo prefix, like cyclopropane with 3 carbon atoms, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, and these cycloalkane cyclocompounds give the root names of many organic compounds with the linear alkanes. So today we are going to try to name our cycloalkanes with substituents. So to name cycloalkanes with substituents, the name of a substituent is placed in front of the cycloalkane. As in this case, we have here our cyclocompound. The cyclocompound is butane attached to a methyl group. So to name this compound, it automatically becomes methyl cyclobutane. So the substituent becomes the prefix of that particular name. As for our next example as well, we've got here pentane, and then attached to the substituents our chloro group. So the name of this compound becomes chlorocyclopentane. You might want to try to name these two compounds, number 1 and number 2. You might consider pausing the video to try this, because the solutions are coming just after this. So thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel.